Hi, I'm Eric, and I retired 3 months ago, but I can't say it's been plain sailing. That's despite a whole year of meticulous planning. Now, what I've had is pensions arriving that were significantly different than the statements I used to make my decision to retire. And I also changed my lifestyle plan within pretty much a week of retirement. But you know what? I'm here, I'm retired, and I have loved every minute of it. Now, I've been documenting my retirement plans here on YouTube for about 18 months. So I know many of you have followed along, and I wanted to say thanks very much for doing that. But what I've also been doing over the last 3 months is I've decided to document what I think were the most important bits from my journey. Those bits that I'm really glad I did before I retired. And then what I did is added all the bits I wish I'd known before I'd retired. I documented them and turned them into a course. Now, this is a course that you can follow along potentially on your own journey during the 12 months before you retire. And what I've done, I've put a link here on the screen and also in the video description. So here are some short clips to show you what to expect if you do follow along on the course.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Now, retiring vision has likely been focused on one thing, saving up. It's a huge milestone, but a lot of people in the last year, they can feel doing it without worrying. So to get this right, you need to go beyond a simple budget. You need to define your retirement lifestyle. Now, getting that number higher month on month, but overwhelmed. So many things to do, so much to organise. With the adventurer, so do you see yourself traveling the world, exploring new cultures and constantly on the move? Hello and welcome back. We often talk about retirement as a date on a calendar. Start by envisioning the life you want to live, your health and your relationship. So now pillar 2 is all about envisioning. The important step is to simply start thinking about these things. What I'd like you to do is redraw the diagrams in this section with yourself at the center, and I'll see you moving on to the next section. Don't forget to click that complete button about where you are now and where you would like to be. So thanks for watching on this section. The next section's all about setting realistic time frames.